This is SMO Junior 2025 question 14. We are told that x is a positive real number such that 27 to the power x equals 1 divided by x. The equation has a unique positive real solution. We are asked to find the value of 2025 times x. Let's try x equals 1/3. Then 27 to the power x becomes 3 to the power 3x, which is 3 to the power 1 equals 3. And 1 divided by x is also 3. So both sides match. That means x equals 1/3 as a solution. To show that this solution is unique, we look at the graphs of y equals 27 to the power x and y equals 1 divided by x. The first graph is increasing and the second graph is decreasing. So they intersect at exactly 1 point. This proves that x equals 1/3 is the only positive solution. Therefore, 2025 times x equals 2025 divided by 3, which is 675. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.